Ready to take your videos from static to stunning with a simple zoom. First, open Capcut on your PC and import the video clip you want to zoom in on. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline. Now, find the exact point in your clip where you want the zoom to begin. This is crucial, so use your arrow keys for precise placement. Next, go to the right panel and locate the basic video settings. Find the scale option. Click the little diamond icon next to scale to add your first keyframe. Now, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to finish. Adjust the scale value by dragging the slider to the right, making the video bigger and creating your zoom-in effect. Notice another keyframe has automatically been added. That's it. Play back this section to see the smooth zoom you've created. You can adjust the position as well. To zoom out, repeat the process, but decrease the scale value instead of increasing it. Experiment with different speeds and levels of zoom. And that's how you add dynamic zoom effects in Capcut PC. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick Capcut tutorials.